Meaning of Lord Protector of the Commonwealth.
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 Lord Protector of the Commonwealth. The title Lord Protector of the Commonwealth was used in England during the 17th century to refer to the head of state. Specifically, it referred to Oliver Cromwell, who served as Lord Protector from 1653 until his death in 1658. As Lord Protector, Cromwell wielded ultimate power over England, Scotland, and Ireland, although he did not hold the title of king. His role was to maintain order and stability and to safeguard the rights of the people against tyranny. After his death, the position was briefly held by his son, Richard Cromwell, before the monarchy was restored in 1660.